Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 4.6, Prepositions 2. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then, you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Across. Around. Next to. Near. Street. Block. Pharmacy. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. Where is the hospital? It's across the street. Where is the restaurant? It's around the block. Where is the pharmacy? It's next to the hospital. Where is the library? It's near the school. Now it's your turn to speak. Listen to the question. Say the answer using prepositions. You will have 15 seconds. Good luck. Where is the pharmacy? It's near the school. Where is the restaurant? It's next to the library. Where is the hospital? It's around the block. Where is the library? It's across the street. Where is the hospital? It's across the street. Where is the restaurant? It's around the block. Where is the pharmacy? It's next to the hospital. Where is the library? It's near the school. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.